Hey everyone, Gil Gray Man Prepping. Before I start with exercising, I want to show you what's out the front door here. So hang on a second here. I'm gonna move the camera. See how much snow's coming down? Let's get a little bit lower here and just see what it's, This has been going on for the last couple hours here. It's just coming down and building up fast. And yeah, so I'm going to be having to get out here. I mean, well, look at the buildup on the walkway lights here. And I'm going to have to get, and on the stone there, I'm going to have to get out there and start shoveling here as soon as I get done exercising. All right, so let's get at the exercising. Also, at the very end, I got some updates coming out for you. 215 on the gazelle. And my knee started bothering me. I was going to do 45, but just got to like 32 or something like that. Minutes, guys. All right, so your prep for today: boots, footwear. Snow boots, snow shoes, whatever you want to, to get around out in the snow and cold, so you don't get frostbite on your toes. All right. Tonight on my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, is the topic for the Monday Night Firesides chat is canning soups. We're going to talk about the different ways of canning soups, including pressure canning, water bath, and steaming. And I'm gonna pull up the 1943 Kerr canning guide, which gives comparisons and times actually in minutes for the everything. So that's what we're going to do tonight. Yeah. So now I gotta go get changed and get out there and start shoveling snow. Those flakes are coming down big, so it's going to be butt ugly. All right, everyone. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill. Plant something indoors. On one of my tomatoes, sprouted last night, so it was about that long. So I planted it in the 15-gallon barrel. I'm just waiting for the other one to sprout, and then for the cabbage to sprout too, so I can get those planted. So you need to do the same thing. Start growing food indoors, because you need to really get prepped up this winter, because it's going to be bad, and you don't want to. Well, you don't want to end up like this.